Today, I'll show you how to add a zoom in transition using the pull in effect. This is a super smooth way to move from one clip to another and makes your edit feel more dynamic and professional. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you've got two video clips side by side on your timeline in CapCut. Now, tap on the white transition box between the two clips. This opens up the transition library. Scroll through the tabs until you reach the camera section. Here, look for the one called Pull In, tap it, and you'll see a preview where the camera appears to zoom into the next clip. To control the feel of this zoom, use the duration slider at the bottom, drag it to the left for a quick transition or to the right for a slower, more cinematic zoom. Once you're happy with how it looks, just tap the check mark to apply it, and that's it. You've added a smooth zoom in transition using CapCut Mobile's pull in effect. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fast editing tips with CapCut.